Welcome to our channel. Many payroll cards can be activated quickly at Walmart locations for immediate access to your funds. Here's a quick guide to completing the activation at the store. Step 1. Visit your nearest Walmart store during regular business hours. Bring your unactivated payroll card and a valid form of identification. Step 2. Head to the customer service desk or money center within the Walmart store. These areas typically handle financial transactions and card activations. Step 3. Inform the associate that you need to activate a payroll card. They'll be familiar with the process and guide you through their system. Step 4. Present your payroll card to the Walmart associate. They may ask to see the card or have you swipe it at their terminal. Step 5. Show your government-issued photo ID to verify your identity. The associate will confirm that the name on the ID matches the payroll card information. Step 6. The associate will process your activation request through their system. This typically involves entering card details and your personal information. Step 7. You may be required to provide additional verification, such as your date of birth or the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Step 8. Once the activation is processed successfully, the associate will confirm that your payroll card is now active. If prompted, create a PIN by following the instructions on the terminal screen. Your card is now ready for purchases and ATM withdrawals immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.